copy the image. Then you're going to create a new file. For me, I'm just going to make this a square file because my image is fairly rectangular but close to a square. So I'm just going to make a 10 by 10 inch file in Illustrator, a print file in Illustrator. So I'm going to go to print, inches. For me, it's going to be 10 by 10. This is going to be completely dependent on your illustration. If you have a spray can that's taller than it is wide, then maybe you need 5 inches by 7 inches or whatever. So I'm going to create a new blank document. I'm going to paste the object into it. I'm going to size the object to fit into my 10 by 10 square. So here's my image, my element, completely by itself. And now I'm just going to file save as. And I'm going to save this as an AI file. I'm going to call it flower. And guess where I'm going to put it? In an assets folder for my postcard, just like you've done for every assignment. You're going to have a new folder that says postcard. Inside of that folder, you're going to have a folder that says assets. And you're just going to drop this new AI file in that assets folder. As you can see, I already have done that. So if I go to my folder that I've labeled postcard, within it, I have an assets folder, and inside of that, I have the new AI file. Okay? So you're going to do that independently, individually, for every element of your illustration that you want to be able to use. So if you have 6 cutie marks, you want to make 6 AI files. Each one is going to be its own cutie mark, because you want to be able to move them independently. Never in my 11 years in higher education did I ever think I would need to use the term cutie marks during a demo, but times have changed.
Hey, don't get me, I'm not the one who named it.
So, once you have your 1 file, your 10 files, however many AI files that you need, you should not need Illustrator again. Your purpose is to use your asset from Illustrator but create this file in InDesign. So once you have all of your assets saved, you're going to close this. I'm going to leave it open just to show you one other thing. But then you are going to make a new InDesign file. I'm going to delete this so I can just start over. So I'm going to open Illustrator, or InDesign rather. The good thing about the interfaces now is at least they all look the same. So the interface should look just like InDesign did, or just like Illustrator did. So you know that what you need to do, once you have this open, this shouldn't be new for anybody. This should be in every single packet that you've gotten for a new program. You're going to go to Create New. You're going to remember to set it as a print document because there's 4 or 5 of you for the poster that forgot to set it as a print document. So you're going to, at the top, you're going to change it to print. And then you are going to set up your size. Who researched postcards? What are some standard sizes for postcards?
6 by 11.
6 by 11?
Four,
6 by 11 you think is a standard size for postcards?
4 by 6.
3.5 or.
Okay, so that's one. Now somebody else, what's
6 by
another
11
size?
is a lot.
What's another standard size?
4.25 by 6.
Okay.
4 by 6.
4 by 6 is another standard. Anybody else have other standards? 5 by 7 is a standard. 6 by 9 is a standard called jumbo. So there are multiple standards of postcards. The reason that it's important when you're designing a postcard that you are utilizing a standard size is because these all have prices to post them with the post office. When you are designing a postcard, it's probably going to be a lot of postcards. If it's a grand opening for a new business, you're probably making hundreds, if not thousands, which means that the company then has to send hundreds, if not thousands. So they need the cheap